At the end of the course, he or she will be capable of leading a platoon of about 30 men and women. They will be able to accomplish any task or mission given and able to work as a unit. Sila ang protekta ng mga tao, ng mga communities. Sila ang makikipaglaban para protektahan ang teritoryo ng ating bansa. They will be proud and dedicated to serve their country.
Just recently, about a month ago, we were incorporated as regular cadets of the Officer Candidate School. Tinanggap na rin kami bilang parte ng ranks sa brigade ng Officer Candidate School. Yung na-feel ko talaga is parang yung isang JOC ay may mga limitations pa lang. Tapos dito sa amin, sa Officer Candidate School, Philippine Army, ini-ensure ng mga officers ng paaralang ito, alam na namin yung ups and downs dito sa Officer Candidate School bago kami in-incorporate sa kani-kanya naming mga companies.
Military drills and ceremonies such as incorporation rites and recognition rites, they are always part of character building. So yung incorporation rites ay kinakandak namin ito to formally incorporate the junior officer candidates into the regular corps or yung officer candidate corps of the Philippine Army, because starting on their first day during the reception, yung mga new officer candidates ay nag-undergo muna siya ng 1 month, which is yung tinatawag namin na adaptation phase. So dito natututunan ng isang junior officer candidate kung paano yung military values, military cultures, and military traditions. So yung 1 month na yan, pag na-culminate na siya or natapos na siya, is nagkakaroon kami ng incorporation rights.
As hardships and sacrifices are part of the molding process for you to become competent and disciplined officers. On that note, I welcome everyone to the incorporation rights of Officer Candidate Course Aram Sidla Class 60-2024. Congratulations and good luck to all of you.
To be strong like my father, even when I'm scared, and when someone's in trouble, I'll never leave them there. Once upon a time, you were 25, walking up the aisle.
As officer candidates, they will receive pay and allowances intended for their needs during their 1-year training. When they become officers, their pay will be enough to support their family, build a home, send their children to good schools, and address any need or emergency that may arise. In the Officer Candidate School, focus is on their military leadership training. However, due importance is also accorded to work-life balance. During training, officer candidates continue to connect with their families. They have phone call privileges, and their families may visit on some weekends after recognition and during milestone events such as incorporation, recognition, and graduation.
So I'll sing this song for you.
Recognition rites, it is also a military ceremony na part pa rin siya ng character building ng isang officer candidate. That ceremony is nag-signify siya ng acceptance of the senior officer candidates sa junior officer candidate. So, parang ina-accept na siya sa OCCPA. So, pag na-recognize na ang isang junior officer candidate, nagkakaroon siya ng greater responsibility and some privileges. Ina-expect din si kanya as a recognized officer candidate ay nagpo-possess na siya ng basic military skills na natutunan niya within 3 months. We have to go back to our mission to train officer candidates and student officers to become leaders of excellence with an upright character for the Philippine Army.
We have found our way. It's a brand new day.
Excited kami, especially ako rin, since may position din ako bilang sa company, S8. Ako yung nagpapalakas sa mga kasama ko. Ramdam ko rin nung nare-recognize na kami. Ramdam ko rin nung every time na magkakabog siya sa amin. Parang okay ka na, recognize ka na brother, dito ka na, sama ka na sa amin, ganun.
Lift your voice for those before us. We can rely on one another. Feel the pride, let's show our colors. We are heroes and dreamers. We are restless believers, stronger than ever. Never say never. Don't look back now. Don't look back now. Rise up, stand with each other. We are sisters and brothers, fighting our place and running the race. We'll take it.
Recognition Day is one of the milestones and the most memorable one of being a student in the Officer Candidate School. It is a manifestation of hard work and determination of once a young aspirant youth of our country to one day be part of the Officer Corps of the Philippine Army.
So, bali ngayon, ako ay recycled.
May sinabi na ako nang mag-join sa Class 61 is medyo nalumural ko.
Kasi na-fail ako sa isang critical subject which is the map reading, the basic map reading.
In my case, nag-excessive absences man ako dahil na-hospital ako for 20 days. Ang nangyari is, yun nga, napag-desisyon na nila na i-recycle kami for the next class, Class 61. Sa totoo lang, hindi mo talaga maiiwasan na malaw moral. Kasi yung pinaghirapan mo sa ilang buwan, biglang mawawala ng isang iglap, iniisip ko na lang si Papa. Yung lahat ng mga sakripisyo na ginawa niya para mapunta ako dito. Pati na rin yung mama ko. Pati yung mga kung gaano sila ka-proud na nakita ko yung mga senior ko na gumraduate. Gusto ko maranasan nila yung pumunta dito. Tapos maging proud sila na tinyente na rin ako.
Result of encounter, government side.
So dito sa Officer Candidate School, start sa platoon leader, ito turn over niya yung kanyang sword.
which symbolizes na binibigay niya na yung authority for the platoon leader or the key leaders to lead. Lahat ng responsibility ng OCCPA, especially the key leaders, is already turned over to them.